Today, I have an icon. She's someone who has changed the space for women in the industry.
It has been 10 years now.
Wow.
I became a mommy.
You've done so much in 10 years. Umesqueeze vitu hivi in 10 years. What's the worst collaboration ushaifanya? You can tell us the experience of the collaboration. Si lazima useme mtu. Mbona tunacheka?
That project I spent almost $1 million. I literally cried. Because in Somali hashiki simu.
If you can use your position or your charm to get what you want without losing anything.
Yeah.
Do it. Men are stupid anyways.
I mean mama boys.
Only boys.
Hello. I came bearing.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
And it's my favorite color.
And I brought for you some. You'll tell me
Nadia.
how you appreciate the nini.
Nadia.
Lazima ningekuza.
gift. Oh my god.
No, I had to surprise you.
Oh my god.
Yes, I brought you some nice things.
Are these your products?
Yeah. I do sell, but they're not mine, but I do sell them.
I actually need a body scrub. This is so weird.
Yeah, and the body wash is perfumed body wash.
I love smelling good. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's perfumed body wash.
Wow. Thank you so much. Oh, and a mask.
Yes.
Aki, you're so thoughtful. Nasikia kulia, guys.
I had to congratulations. The flowers are for. I even had a note. Wamechanganya huko nje.
I'm so sorry. Nimepanic.
I know.
Ni vile sikuwa nataka kupanic kwa simu
We
basi.
wanted to do it the right way.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But this is just to say congratulations on your
so
show.
much. Thanks for this. So today, wadi niko nervous. Oh my god. Today, I have an icon, and I'll just say that she's someone who has changed the space for women in the industry. She has broken barriers. She's a trailblazer. She's an AFRIMA award-winning artist. She's a nominated artist. Celebrated. Deni kungekuwa na medals za kupewa Demiani. Na ni mfupi hivi hizo medals zinaweza drown for real. She's an amazing person. She's a mom, an entrepreneur. My favorite artist, female artist in Kenya.
Hey!
Nadia Mokami.
Hadi nimehijack nini yako.
Na tutaingia hapo. Watajua mbona ninasema hivyo.
Yeah. Yes.
So how many years has it been now?
It has been 10 years now. 10 years. I got into the game when I was 20 years. I was third year going fourth year in Maseno University. And now I'm turning 30. I became a mommy.
You've done so much in 10 years. Umesqueeze vitu hivi in 10 years.
In 10 years, I became a mommy. I settled down for, if I can use that language. And I had music. I've done album. I've traveled. Like
you have.
I didn't imagine.
Tours.
Yes.
Wow.
So it has been a dream come true for me. Yeah.
Let's say 10 years ago, did you envision this is what Nadia at 10 would look like?
No.
Did you have an idea?
I had an idea because growing up and when I was in school, I was always, the academic type. So I always knew that I would chase a dream and get it. But in terms of being a celebrated female artist in East Africa.
Celebrated in East Africa.
Yes.
And Africa, please. Uko na AFRIMA.
Yes. I can say yote ni Mungu.
Yeah. And what has been your proudest career moment?
Getting an O visa. That's a US work
Unaweza enda
permit.
ukitaka.
Yes. So that was...
Nadia, you brag different.
No, I have to.
Hey, you brag different, yani.
Bro, I do the grind.
Yeah.
When you put in
earned
the work,
it,
people have to see the things you've done. So ilikuwa kama jokes. The way they say be shameless. If you want to be successful,
lazima ujibonge.
Nilikuwa US kutembea. I was doing my tour. I was actually pregnant, yes. So nikamuingiza box. I really nikambeg akisema sawa. I'll talk to the lawyer.
Yeah.
So kaongea na I even forgot about it.
Yeah.
Do you know how many years later I think 3 years later. On text WhatsApp because she's in the US.
Yeah.
Ukifika kwa nyumba, niambie. Send me your nini has been accepted.
Wow.
Hey, to somebody else, it's a small deal.
It's not a small deal.
But to me,
unaweza kawa mtuseme nasikia kwenda California.
And actually it covers my kids.
It does.
Yeah, it covers my kids and my spouse.
Amazing.
So but now I don't want to
and
go
how is
there.
it touring outside Kenya?
It's nice.
What's
but you get
like?
exhausted. Ukienda huko with the nini of you want to go buy designer bags. Utarudi umesota. I remember mimi nilienda kutua nikuja nikanunua gari. Like
kuwa na goal.
Yeah. If you do this, do this. Yeah.
Unakuanga mtu mwenye mimi napenda kusema wewe ni corporate sweetheart. Corporate nakupenda. Corporate nasikianga na demu kama masikio juu. I love the way you've branded yourself in a way that cut across age groups, right?
Yeah.
Would you say as an artist it's important to also kuwa makini kwa corporate friendly?
Yeah.
Hiyo inasaidianga zikikuza sasa kwa you as an artist?
I think it's longevity. Because I remember there's a time tulikuwa ni Otile, tulikuwa studio. Nikamwambia ama mtu kuretire. Ndio nikasema hapana, kuna kuretire. Hiki tunaifanya. Hadi this mama hatuna pension. This mama mwenye anashinanga Grammys anaitwa nani? Angeline. That is who I want to be. Huyo. Yeah. That is the kind of woman I want to be.
Yeah.
Like do this as my first love because it's from music that other doors have come through.
Open,
you understand?
Yeah.
So for me it's also kupea heshima kazi yako. I have rules. I don't drink during work. I don't go to shows.
You don't?
Yeah.
Okay, andika hizo rules tena. Don't drink.
Sijaipanda stage intoxicated.
Yeah.
After you can have as much fun as you want, but when you're...
Do you drink? You don't seem like someone who drinks.
It's been... I used to do wine here and there, but it's been ever since I started mambo ya
mzazi. Wine ni pombe?
Yeah, ni mvinyo.
Umefanya collaborations mingi sana. Na una shine kwa collaborations. What's the worst collaboration ushaifanya? You can tell us the experience of the collaboration. Si lazima useme mtu. Mbona tunache? Unaweza tuambia experience. Si lazima.
Tulishasameheana.
Si lazima tu mention.
Alitutesa. Si Mkenya. That project I spent, it's not even project ya kitambo. I spent almost $1 million on that project. I'm telling you. Tulikuwa wangapi? Mimi, Abu, Wakesho, Lydia, video
that's
director.
Your team.
Yes, that's a team. 6. We're like around 6 people. Tumeenda Tanzania by road. To a book. Yeah. Almost 12-14 hours. Tufike usiku. Tulale kidogo. Tushoot video asubuhi. Tumalize because I had a show. Unaona hizo expenses, chakula, mafuta, kuhaya gari. Mimi nikapigia msanii, timu yangu akapigia manager msanii. Tunapigia nimeenda street show wapi lakini nitakuja. Nikajua tuko sawa. Kulikuwa na mwingine pia tuko nafaa kushoot video ya ngoma yetu fulani. So next morning imefika, tumeanza kupigia msanii ashike. Manager ashike.
Shoot ilikuwa ianze saa ngapi?
Ilikuwa ianze saa 3 asubuhi. Msanii alifika 7 p.m.
So mlikuwa mnafanya nini the whole day?
Tulikaa hiyo beach tukimgoja. Location kafanya
mlishoot kwa beach.
Na melt Tumefanywa makeup.
Na joto.
Ime-melt. Human hair imeshikana. Unajua nilienda na my makeup artist.
Hey we Nadia.
Yeah, kujitolea tu.
Project ilitoka?
Sasa.
Nime-bookmark kwa akili.
I cried. I literally cried. Because ilifika mahali hashiki simu. Vixen ako location tukashoot scenes zetu. Hashiki simu. Manager hashiki simu. At a point manager akashika simu. Unajua tumetoka sijui msanii amechoka sijui anapumzika kidogo. Nikashika tu nilikuwa yani nalia because I'm like bro pesa yenye nimespend.
Na sasa by the time alifika interaction yenu ilikuwa
so alifika an act ni kama my God sisi ndo tumemkosea. Kwanza hakunisalimia alipita. Akaenda akasotiwa manguo. Akarudi ndo nika breathe in nikamwambia it's okay let's shoot. Tukashoot scene yetu, tukaenda scene nyingine actually ilikuwa inafungwa, yani hata those ladies walikuwa tu just nice. Tukashoot sasa kwenda sasa kwa nyumba place tulikuwa tunakaa kwa Airbnb. Aliita producer wake Hizo ni saa 8 saa 9 za usiku. Ameita producer, songwriter. Wamekaa hapo, so nafika naambia you have to record the song. For this song to get out, have to record another song.
As in wimbo yake ukwe featured.
Hadi hao walikuwa wananiambia we didn't think you'd do it. I was like okay, it's fine.
Na uliifanya?
Yeah, nikaifanya nikamaliza.
Ewe ni diploma. For a very long time tumeambiwa motherhood ni career ending for female artists.
Yeah.
Lakini wewe again una change narrative.
Yes.
Were you trying to make sure that your dreams bado umezi-respect? Ama were you trying to prove a point to the career ending sayers?
I think number 1 is choose your baby daddies wisely. That's very important. So even with me dating Aro hata kikasirika hata kwa nyumba, he'll just ignore me, which is bad. Because me I want to talk. He will just hata niongelesha hata nipata atapita aende. From interacting with him, I kind of knew that I would like to be with this guy. Miss Dionadra scandal ya Aro boy.
By the way, hajaikuwa na moja.
The person you choose to have kids with is very important.
Yeah.
The first gig I had after I had Kai.
I remember you went to Congo.
Yeah, I was two months old. 2 months old. I remember I called my mom. Nikamwambia mama, akini nimeitiwa show na it's a private event. Akina inalipa poa. Inalipa poa sana. Because ni mtu ako na pesa zake.
Yeah.
I told my mom and my mom akaniambia utoto uachwa na 2 weeks. Si unaenda 2 nights.
Na si unaenda kazi.
Na akaniambia go for 2 nights, just you come back.
And you went.
Na hivyo ndo nilipata courage.
Yeah. Wow. When I'm strong.
Is that a compliment? Niliona TikTok yasiko.
No, but when I'm strong, a career, businesses, a family.
But 2 babies pia si mchezo. Because now my toddler, he's turning 4. He's jumpy.
Akona energy.
Hey, he's so jumpy. So even like tried alale kwa bed yake ataki. Tunafinyana tu. Na pia the small one Kian, ukimweka kwa bassinet yake atalala a few hours.
Amke.
Ukimweka tena ataki. Tufinyana.
Na sasa mmefinyana sasa. Unazida kama cartoon. Mmefinyana nyinyi wote.
So far, it's not easy. You know, sisi social media tunapenda glamorize. But it's not easy. Struggles are behind the scenes, si mchezo. At times, sijalala usiku. I have to wake up. I have meetings. When I wake up, pige shot ya coffee ile kali bila sukari. Then I don't niamke ndo niweze fanya activities.
I think the one thing I'd want for the new generation is ni 3 things. Number 1, consistency. Ni kitu imesumba women in our field for a very long time.
Kweli.
Na ni understandable. Kila mtu mwenye amelemewa tuna understand. Because it takes a special kind of woman to survive 10 years. And still have a family and still run your business. It takes a special kind of strength. So consistency is one thing I'd love to advocate for. Number 2, kuji-accept. Right? I feel like sometimes tunakuwa forced kukua sexy, kukua perfect body, nini. Na BBL zimefika juzi.
I know. Kuna watu hapa. Mimi na ufupi wangu. Imagine me I'm 4'11".
Imagine.
Na
utakaa nikawa umefinyilia kila kitu. Imagine. So we don't always have to fit a certain stereotype. Mimi nina fit kwa hiyo stereotype, mimi nimekuwa mwenda wazimu. So it's not hard for me. But we don't have to all look the same, sound the same, be the same.
Actually sound the same.
Sound the same.
Very important.
Kwani tusikopiane sana, tunakopiana. We are all tunakopiana sana. I also have the same problem. So I understand. We don't have to all look the same. If something is working for me, it doesn't have to work for Nadia. If something is working for Nadia, it doesn't have to work for me.
So guys, thank you so much for the support. The tickets will be live next week. So we can start purchasing tickets for Nadia Mukami at 10. Oh my God, 10 years of doing music is not a joke. Thank you for holding me down all these years. I think I'm so lucky to have a very fan base yangu ni wanawake kwa wingi. So I really appreciate you guys. To the guys also, thank you for supporting me. So na tickets zikitoka, nawaomba. Yani naomba na beg yani. Naomba mnunue tickets.
Tutaenda kuhoki hizo ticket kama ule dem alisema ni harusi.
Vitu zenye ninapanga kufanya. Wewe ngoja uone. Because it's August. So nawaomba tu mnunue tickets. Spare your 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000. Ununue tu ticket. Please guys. I need this. Niko na watoto wawili sana. Please. Nahitaji formula.
Please. Thank you so much for coming, Nadia.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for inspiring me and so many other girls out there.
Thank you.
Thank you for never changing.
Thank you.
For being authentic. And anyways, thank you.
All right.
This was Her Stage with Nadia Mukami and Mandy.